Hey everyone, it's Dr. Julie Quinn here, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour inside Module 1. I've given you a couple of days to take a quick peek at it yourself, and now I'm going to give you an orientation to the module as well. So we've got the Welcome to College, the module overview, and I've got all of these tabs open. This is a quick module. The learning outcomes here focus on recognizing characteristics of the successful online student. It is absolutely not the same as taking a face-to-face class where you see your professors every day in real time and you make the effort to get onto campus. There's a big difference between student success in a face-to-face class and student success online. And a lot of theories are that the effort that it takes to physically get yourself to that class puts students in a different kind of frame of mind. So you have to be sort of aware of that as an online student, and also sort of get into the headspace of becoming extremely proficient at navigating Canvas in the class, and then also sort of understanding your own strengths and weaknesses with academic writing at the college level. Okay, so we've got a couple of quick assignments this week. The first one is the syllabus and course navigation quiz. You will click here to take the quiz. Obviously, the syllabus is here. Within that, in the announcements, you've got handouts and videos and orientation. So that shouldn't take you too long to do that assignment. The next one, as we sort of plow our way through the discussion right here, is how do you define yourself? It's thinking about language, thinking about sort of your place in the world, and that will probably have an interesting effect on you as a writer as you start to research ideas that you're passionate about. So we've got the Lizzie Velasquez, how do you define yourself video, think about an audience to write to, and then you will be able to fill out the content for the discussion as it goes. And at the bottom of this discussion, you'll notice that your post thoroughly, that being a key word, deeply, in detail, sufficiently answers the discussion prompt. Your peer responses move the conversation forward. Your peer responses should be more than just, that's great, good point. Why is it a good point? It's fine to be supportive of classmates, but you want to go into a little bit more specificity in connecting and with ideas. You'll notice that paragraph structure is focused. You're starting with a topic sentence, some data, and then some discussion of the significance of the data. That would be my recommendation for paragraph structure. Your grammar, like you're running the grammar on the spell checker. You're working on avoiding fragmented sentences, random or lack of capitalization. And of course, little edge to word count. Word count in and of itself isn't the biggest deal, but it's a reminder for depth of commentary. So it's just a reminder to get you to the thorough answers. It doesn't always mean word count gets you to thorough. Some people will write with fluff writing. They'll say something like, due to the fact that because of something, which is word salad, due to, right? So depth of detail is always key. Then you have another discussion this week. How do you define yourself? Okay. You'll offer responses to peers, read the postings of them, select 2 postings to respond to. So you'll see that there. Finally, we've got the end of Module 1. So Module 1 is really quick. It's the discussions, it's the video, it's the orientation to how do you see yourself as a student and how do you see yourself as a writer. I wish you great luck this week. And if you have any questions about any aspect of the module, just reach out and let me know.